In this video, we'll show how Dynamsoft's solution can streamline your document management workflow. We'll focus on how to annotate scanned images before uploading them. First, we scan a file and it appears in the viewer. Next, we open the annotation tool to mark up the scanned image. There are various preset annotation types available. For example, I can insert a stamp to mark this invoice as approved. After that, I can add a signature by freely inputting text inside or outside a bounding box. The text color, font, and style can be customizable to fit the document style. Images can also be uploaded from a local file, and their size and position can be easily adjusted to fit perfectly on the document. We also have freehand drawing capabilities, allowing us to add personal touches or sketches. In addition, we can choose from a range of shapes such as rectangles, circles, and lines, offering flexibility in how we mark up the document. All annotations are fully editable. We can adjust the layer order to bring an annotation to the front, and modify or delete annotations as needed until everything looks just right. Once satisfied with the edits, we can exit the editor and upload the document as a PDF for storage. Dynamsoft Document Viewer is a browser-based JavaScript SDK designed for viewing and editing images and PDFs. Combined with Dynamic Web Twain, these two SDKs enable developers to create a complete web-based document management solution, from scanning to annotating and uploading. If you're interested, try out our online demo today.